So my name is Mendy, and I have been with Atomy for over a year now. So before Atomy, or before I even knew about Atomy, I was an Army medic and also a medical assistant in the Air Force. I'm now a stay-at-home mom. I was introduced to Atomy by my sister and my mother. And ever since I started coming to the meetings, I've been buying all Atomy products and have truly become an Atomy member. So why I wanted to share today why it's important for me to be successful with Atomy. And first I want to say I already feel successful, and I want to break down what success looks like to me with Atomy. In the beginning of my day, when I brush my teeth, I don't have to feel any tartar or buildup like I used to. I don't have to feel guilty for not flossing because we have amazing toothbrush and toothpaste. I now use the hair products. Not only have I found something that was really difficult, and I know my hair is healthy because of the products I'm using, but I've had a bad issue with my scalp. I have really bad dry scalp, and I used to have to use a steroid drops that was prescribed from the doctor. I no longer have to do that. I can use Atomy's natural products and not have to deal with super bad dry scalp like I used to before. I use the skincare so I can, like, as you see me now, I don't have to be embarrassed and have to conceal my face. And that's mom. I'm 35. I'm older than I look. So it's not like before when I used to have to put on makeup before anybody could see me. I can just do my facial routine and I feel confident. When it comes to doing dishes, I told my testimony before, I hated doing dishes, but I love using Atomy products. My dishes smell amazing, and the detergent doesn't leave my dishes greasy. And when I do laundry, I love the way my laundry smells. It smells amazing. My clothes are clean, and I don't have to worry about buying a bunch of detergent because it actually lasts me a really long time. So as I break down my day, to me, I was thinking about how Atomy makes me feel successful, but just by buying Atomy products, I've already feel like I've had a successful day. My family benefits from it. And uh, before Atomy, I wasn't really into health products and supplements. But because of the Atomy members and their testimonies, I now always take my Hemoham and my probiotic and my vitamin C and my spirulina and all the great products that Atomy has to offer. And before COVID, it was always already great because I cared about us being well and taking care of our immune system on having your health. So we have all been, healthy without even having so much as a cold. I'm able to travel. Usually when I travel from one region to another, it's guaranteed I'm going to get sick. I've been able to travel and feel confident that we're all healthy and we're taking care of ourselves just by taking the supplements. So success is just being able to use all Atomy products and not having to worry about the price, having to benefit from using all the products and know they're not toxic. And today, for example, I just put in an order and two of my partners were able to commission from my order. So Atomy does a great job of taking care of me and my family and all my friends and anybody who's also a member under me. So I'm closer to commission. I have two other people that are closer to their commission. And so all around, I just see success ever since I've
Okay.
joined Atomy. Atomy has truly changed
I
my
just
life.
need to get the last sponsor ID.
And so when I think of how I can be more successful with Atomy, I just don't want to stay where I'm at. I want to continue to share Atomy with other people. And I just feel good knowing that they benefit from the products and knowing that in the future, Atomy has raised the bar for me for what I thought, I could be complacent in life. It's not just a financial thing, it's my overall health, my skin, my hair, the products in my household. And then along with that, the financial gain, which is a plus, and even the possibility from years from now, the money I can make just from sharing my love of Atomy. So that's pretty much why I need to be successful with admin folks. I mean, it's there's no going back.